Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of electric bikes and showcasing the very best models of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist looking to upgrade or a newcomer eager to explore the electric riding revolution, this video is tailor-made for you. From powerful motors and extended battery life to innovative designs and cutting-edge technology, we'll cover everything you need to know to find the perfect e-bike for your lifestyle. Plus, we'll share our top picks for every budget and riding style, ensuring you make an informed choice on your next adventure. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the future of cycling, because these electric bikes are not just about getting from point A to point B. They're about the journey, the thrill, and the freedom of the open road. Let's hit the trail and explore the best electric bikes of 2025. Number 5. Haybike Cityscape. The Haybike Cityscape is a versatile electric bike designed to cater to the needs of urban commuters and leisure riders alike. Combining style and functionality, this e-bike is perfect for navigating through city streets, tackling daily errands, or enjoying leisurely rides in the park. With its sleek design, the Cityscape features a lightweight aluminum frame that ensures durability without compromising on portability. The bike is equipped with a powerful electric motor that provides a smooth and effortless ride, allowing riders to tackle hills and long distances with ease. The battery life is impressive, offering a substantial range that makes it ideal for longer excursions or daily commutes without the anxiety of running out of power. The Haybike Cityscape also boasts a range of user-friendly features, including adjustable seating and handlebars, ensuring a comfortable fit for riders of all sizes. Its intuitive control panel allows for easy access to key functions such as speed settings and battery levels, making it simple for riders to customize their experience. Safety is a priority with the Cityscape, which is equipped with reliable disc brakes and bright LED lights for visibility during nighttime rides. The bike's tires are designed for excellent traction and stability, providing confidence on various terrains. Number 4. The Meklon Cybertrack 100 is an innovative addition to the world of electric bikes, designed to cater to both casual riders and adventure enthusiasts alike. This model stands out with its sleek and modern design, featuring a lightweight aluminum frame that not only enhances portability, but also ensures durability for various riding conditions. Equipped with a powerful 350W motor, the Cybertrack 100 offers a smooth and robust riding experience, allowing riders to conquer hills and rough terrains with ease. The bike is capable of reaching speeds of up to 20 mph, giving you the thrill of speed while maintaining safety and control. One of the key highlights of the Cybertrack 100 is its impressive battery life. With a removable 36V lithium-ion battery, riders can enjoy a range of up to 28 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for commuting, weekend rides, or exploring new trails without the worry of running out of power. The bike also features a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled. Number 3. Haybike Mars. The Haybike Mars is a versatile electric bike that is designed to cater to a wide range of riders, whether you are commuting to work, enjoying a weekend adventure, or simply cruising around the neighborhood. This e-bike stands out with its robust frame and powerful motor, which offer a seamless blend of performance and comfort. One of the key features of the Haybike Mars is its impressive 500W motor, providing ample power to tackle steep hills and challenging terrains with ease. Coupled with a high-capacity battery, it ensures you can travel longer distances without frequent recharges, making it an ideal choice for those who love to explore. Riders can expect a top speed of up to 20 mph, allowing for a thrilling ride while still adhering to local regulations. The bike is equipped with a dual suspension system that absorbs shocks and bumps, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're on paved roads or rugged trails. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars further enhance comfort, allowing you to ride for extended periods without discomfort. Additionally, the HeyBike Mars features a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information like speed, battery level, and distance traveled, keeping you informed as you ride. It also comes with front and rear lights, making it a safe option for nighttime riding. Number 2. ActBest Speedy. The ActBest Speedy is a high-performance gadget designed for those who seek efficiency and convenience in their daily lives. This innovative device combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it an essential tool for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its sleek design and lightweight construction, the ActBest Speedy is not only portable but also aesthetically pleasing. One of the standout features of the ActBest Speedy is its impressive processing speed, which allows users to complete tasks quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're multitasking at work, streaming high-definition content, or gaming, the ActBest Speedy can handle it all with ease. Additionally, its robust battery life ensures that you can stay productive throughout the day without constantly searching for a power outlet. Number 1. Riding Times Z8. The Riding Times Z8 is making waves in the cycling community, showcasing a blend of innovation and performance that appeals to both casual riders and serious cyclists alike. This versatile bike is designed with cutting-edge technology that enhances the overall riding experience, making it suitable for various terrains and conditions. One of the standout features of the Z8 is its lightweight frame, constructed from high-quality materials that not only provide durability, but also ensure agility on the road. Coupled with advanced suspension systems, this bike delivers a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and irregularities in the terrain effortlessly. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails, the Z8 adapts seamlessly to your surroundings. In addition to its impressive build, the Riding Times Z8 comes equipped with state-of-the-art gearing and braking systems, allowing for quick and responsive handling.